back in 2001, what was the real inspiration behind joining the Mumbai Dabbawala Association?
In 2001, actually I was supposed to do PhD. I have a couple of subjects and my topic was I want to select from management only. And among that 4 subjects, one was Mumbai Dabbawala. And because I am Mumbaikar last 40 years, so I was knowing little bit. And I was inspired with this subject. And when couple of days I went and just traveled with them, I was so impressed, so touched with their services that they are doing marvelous, excellent job. They are doing whatever they do from bottom of heart. And I decided rather than PhD, I will do research. And I had done 9 years research on that subject. And from that day, I began with them only.
So, we are like all familiar with the CEO of the Dabbawala Association. So, who is the Mr. Pawan Agarwal outside the association?
Actually, let me honestly, there is no CEO post in Dabbawala Association. But I remember in 2007 when I delivered for TED Talk, somebody, now he is no more, my guru, Mr. Gangaram Talekar, he told Dr. Pawan is CEO. Somebody told there is no CEO post. Being I was taking care of education of their children, that Secretary Dabbawala told, oh, CEO means Chief Education Officer. So from that time they call CEO. Actually, there is no CEO post. But outside this Dabbawala Association or this Dabbawala subject, I am educationist. Last 29 years I am teaching. I teach accounts in a commerce subject.
Yes.
And I run schools for underprivileged, deprived children. And from 2007, I am providing free education for Dabbawala children. Because I travel all over the globe. And when we travel, we get some honorarium, fees. Corporate people give good money for lectures. And I spend whole money for this children's education.
Yes.
And that's what my mission and passion, that those who are not getting education facilities, we want to provide with the help of you people all.
So I wanted to ask this only. So you said that I provide free education to children. So do you think sharing is important? Like if you have, do you think it's important to give?
Absolutely fine, very good. I believe sharing is only important. Otherwise, what happens nowadays? I hope you will be one of the best citizens of our country. And I feel that you should get very good live, good package in your language.
Thank you.
But when you earn for yourself, you should spend. But what I always believe, earning is very easy, but spending good is difficult.
Right.
And that may not be possible for everybody. It requires some fortunate. I thanks Almighty God, maybe my parents, I got that feelings. And that's why sharing is absolutely important. Because then only will come to know the value of life. And when you go all over, you come to know, we got a lot of facilities. Now you see, it's a good campus. Your father has worked very hard and send you all these guys over here. After a couple of years, it's also very good. But when you do it, you should share for others. In what manner, irrespective, but you should.
सर भारतीय राजनीति को सर आप जैसे अच्छे और ईमानदार लोगों की ज़रूरत है, तो सर कभी भारतीय राजनीति में आने के बारे में सोचा नहीं?
सवाल बहुत अच्छा है. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी राजनीति अच्छी है बुरी है. बहुत अच्छी राजनीति, राजनेता जो है वो भी अच्छे है. शायद उनके करने का ढंग, हमारा देखने का दृष्टिकोण शायद सही नहीं है. जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, मैं राजनीति में शायद आ भी नहीं पाऊँ. क्यों? क्योंकि एक तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाता हूँ, बहुत बच्चों से एसोसिएट हूँ. जैसे कई बार ऑल ओवर ग्लोब में लेक्चर देने जाता हूँ, तो मुझे लगता नहीं मैं राजनीति में आने के बाद ये काम कर पाऊँगा.
नहीं सर, पर राजनीति के थ्रू आप डायरेक्टली सिस्टम को अफेक्ट कर पाओगे ना. पूरे इंडिया के एजुकेशन सिस्टम को आप चेंज कर सकते हो. यू विल हैव दैट पावर.
सी, मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि सिस्टम चेंज करना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, सिस्टम को अच्छे तरह से फॉलो करना इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये मानना शायद सही नहीं होगा कि जो राजनेता वहाँ बैठे हैं, जो सिस्टम अपनी सिस्टम अच्छी नहीं है, उस सिस्टम को अच्छे तरह से आप फॉलो करो, अच्छे तरह से उसे अमल करो अपने लाइफ में. तो मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी सिस्टम अच्छी हो सकती है. इसलिए मैं पर्सनली, आपने पर्सनल सवाल पूछा है, मैं पर्सनली ये नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मैं सिस्टम को बदलूँ. रादर देन दैट मैं उस सिस्टम के लिए काम करूँ और अपने यंगस्टर्स को ये बताऊँ कि हमारी भारत की सिस्टम भली भांति बहुत अच्छी है, इस सिस्टम पे काम करो, इस सिस्टम पे अच्छे चलो. मेरा दावा है शायद हम सिस्टम को बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम सिस्टम को अच्छी तरह से फॉलो कर सकते हैं और बहुत कुछ बदलाव ला सकते हैं. लेकिन फिर भी आप बार बार पूछेंगे तो अपने का चॉइस होता है. इसके लिए मेरी चॉइस वो नहीं है कि मैं राजनीति में आके कुछ बदलूं. मैं रादर देन दैट तुम बच्चों के साथ ज़्यादा शेयर करना चाहूँगा, तो दैट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर मी.
So when will the Mumbai Dabbawala Association become the Indian Dabbawala Association?
Oh my God, very good question. Excellent. Actually, you will see Mumbai is the only city where you will find the geographical structure of Mumbai. This is the only city where we have straight railway routes and it covers 60-70 kilometers. So this is the only city which covers and connect with local train. And this is the only city which have overcrowded local train. Because of that, Mumbai people could not carry themselves tiffin from home. And because of that, this Dabbawala came into practice from 1890. So it is 125-year-old, I would say, service or business. If you go to other cities, maybe Kolkata, you take Patna, you take Bangalore, Chennai. In these cities, there are metro trains nowadays. Or reachability is very short. In Mumbai, we require 3 to 4 hours to reach from home to workplace. In other cities, 1.5 hours is sufficient. So you people carry yourself. But really, I like this word Indian Dabbawala. I feel in couple of years, I think this practice will start. Yes. Not Mumbai Dabbawala, and they will go and they will start. But those people who are state or that city people, they can start. Because when Patna people will start, when Andhra people will start, language, culture, that matters. So local people, when they take interest, I think it is possible to start. And I think when after a couple of years I'll come to this again, that time I can say yes, Indian Dabbawala.
Association.
I like my compliments to you, Indian Dabbawala. Very good.
So, what is the significance of the white cap that all of you wear?
Oh,
It's like very interesting to note that.
actually white cap, I would say it's a Maharashtra culture. If you see in Maharashtra, many agriculturists, they always wear white cap. If you go to villages, many people have white cap. Again, if you go back, you are having Motilal Nehru, and you know Jawaharlal Nehru was having white cap. But if you talked about Dabbawalas, the cap is compulsory. The significance of cap is what? If they travel and during traveling in crowded local train, if some Dabbawala got accident, some Dabbawala want to give a message, white cap is the identity. I can immediately recognize this is my man. So I can immediately help you, I can message you. So that's why cap is compulsory. You will surprise the cost of cap is 40 rupees, and if Dabbawala do not wear cap, they fine 50 rupees. So that much significance is there for white cap during working hours. Other dress code is not compulsory, but white cap is compulsory.
So what are the sacrifices that you had to make to reach till here and to make your organization reach till here? Like, what are the challenges that you faced?
Yes, you can word the challenges, no sacrifice. When you reach to some stage, I feel you feel proud, yes, I reached to that stage. And there is no sacrifice in life. We believe there is sacrifice. We call that is adjustment. Yes. We call that rigorously you walk through all our life and then you reach certain stage. As far as Dabbawalas are concerned, I don't feel I have made any contribution for their operation. They are the expert guys in operation. Yes, I am satisfied that those Dabbawala children could not take education. I am providing education. Number two, last 5 years, I am just after them. They should learn little bit computer, basic, little bit English, because tomorrow some other people will come to Mumbai and they want to order Dabbawala some tiffins. So you may guys order on internet. So I am trying they should learn little bit internet, tomorrow a lot of foreign people will come to Mumbai. So I feel Dabawala should tell, good morning sir, how are you sir? Tomorrow I will not come sir. Like that they should do. That changes we should have. Number two, in addition to Dabawala deliveries, different delivery, I want before working hours, after working hours, they should do some extra activities of business. For example, last couple of maybe 2 years, they are delivering juice bottles in the morning. Not all of them, some of them. Evening, they want to start to bread packet delivery to shopping malls. You must have heard of it. Flipkart came forward and they want to deliver their product through Dabawalas. So this is what this changes, not changes, improvements or additional income sources we want to do it. That's it.
So as we all know that the most of the tiffin transportation is done via trains in your association. So sir, how does the incidents like 7-Eleven affect the morale of your team? Means the train blast which happened in Mumbai
Oh,
in past 2006.
yes, you are true. The lifeline of Dabawalas are a local train.
Yes.
Without local train, Dabawala cannot deliver in Mumbai. But let me tell you, those customers who travel to office,
Sure, sir.
Dabawala customers, they also travel by local train. Because of that, they ask Dabawala to carry tiffin.
Yes.
So if, like 7-Eleven or some other incidences, you want to say if local train is not working,
Yes.
how they will deliver?
Sure.
Let me tell you, if local train is not working, customer will not go to office. So there is no question to deliver tiffin to customers. But number two, if suppose local train is not working, Dabawala will not deliver without local train. Because they cannot use other means of transport, say road transport, traffic congestion, cost, it lot matter lots. So do you feel that if customer reach office and then local train stop, what they will do? They will return that tiffin to customer's house. So that two reasons. Number one, customer tiffin should not waste, food should not waste. Number two, customer wife or mother will inform customer, today Dabawala will not come to office because of local train is not working. But without local train, they will not deliver.
So doesn't it lower the morale of your employees, as in the train blasts? Are they scared to?
Ma'am, it is happening once in a while, once in number of years. So it is we call unforeseen circumstances. Not Dabawala. I think all our Mumbai people were, the morale was down. But you know that Mumbai never sleeps. They never allow morale down for more than 24 hours. They come up immediately. Like at Dabawala also. For that incidents, they forget in 24 hours because again we have to work. That's the spirit. And that's, I think, Indian spirit, not only Mumbai spirit.
Yes, sir.
सर सो मीडिया सर हर जगह इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, तो सर आपके एसोसिएशन को बढ़ावा देने में या फिर उसकी किसी तरीके से मदद करने में मीडिया का कहाँ तक हाथ रहा है?
बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि जैसे अभी आप भी मीडिया की लोग हैं एक तरह से, जो मेरी कुछ बातें आप पता नहीं शायद कितने लोगों तक पहुंचाओगे, सो ये बहुत मायने करता है. और मैं मीडिया का बहुत फैन हूँ या ऐसा नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ कि अपने भारत में मीडिया का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. जो अच्छी बातें होती है वो लोगों तक पहुँचाने का काम करता कौन है? मीडिया. ये बात और है कि हम लोग बुरी बातों को ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, ये हमारी कमियाँ है. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँ कि मीडिया ये बुरी बातें बताती है, कई अच्छी बातें मीडिया बताती है, शायद हम देखते नहीं होंगे. बहुत बड़ा रोल है एज फार एज डब्बावाला बिजनेस इज कंसर्न. डब्बावाला के वैल्यूज, कल्चर, ये सारों को पहुंचाया किसने? 2003 में प्रिंस चार्ल्स मिलने आए थे डब्बावालों को. बिकॉज ऑफ प्रिंस चार्ल्स पूरे ग्लोब में डब्बावाला फेमस हो गए, लेकिन उनको फेमस किया किसने? मीडिया ने. तो ये बहुत बड़ा रोल है मीडिया का, और मैं समझता हूँ भारत का मीडिया तो बहुत काबिल तारीफ है. एक सेकंड में पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाता है. तो बहुत बड़ा रोल है मुंबई डब्बावाला के लिए भी मीडिया का.
Yes, sir. Will you throw some light on the Prince Charles incident? वो local train में आए थे.
प्रिंस चार्ल्स जब आए थे तो प्रिंस चार्ल्स के आने के 6 महीने पहले ब्रिटिश कॉन्सुलेट हेड मिस्टर जितेंद्र जैन, उस समय रघुनाथ मेदगे, ये डब्बावाला के प्रेसिडेंट थे. उन कॉन्सुलेट साहब ने डब्बावाला प्रेसिडेंट मेदगे साहब को फ़ोन किया कि डब्बावाला प्रिंस चार्ल्स आपको मिलना चाहते हैं 6 महीने बाद. तो मेदके साहब बोलते हैं, डब्बावाला बोलते हैं प्रिंस चार्ल्स कौन है हमें पता नहीं। वो बोलते अरे लंदन के राजा है। तो बोलते लंदन के राजा है, ओके ओके हम लोग उनको अलाउ करेंगे मिलने को, आने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम। और एक ताज्जुब की बात, जब ऐसा अलाउ किया तो बोलता है साहब उनको अलाउ करेंगे लेकिन हमारे 2 शर्तें हैं, डब्बे वाले की शर्तें। डब्बे वाले बोलते हैं साहब प्रिंस चार्ल्स को हम केवल 20 मिनट देंगे क्योंकि डब्बे वाले बहुत बिजी है, समय नहीं उनके पास। दूसरा, हम प्रिंस चार्ल्स के पास नहीं जाएंगे, प्रिंस चार्ल्स हमारे पास आना चाहिए। बोले कहाँ पर? चर्च गेट फुटपाथ पर। तो काउंसलर साहब बोलते ऐसी बातें करते हैं आप? तो डब्बा वाला बोलते हैं साहब हम लंदन के राजा की बहुत इज्जत करते हैं लेकिन 2 लाख कस्टमर हमारे महाराजा है, उनको डिस्टर्ब करके हम किसी राजा को नहीं मिलेंगे, इसलिए हमारी 2 शर्तें नहीं 2 विनती है। जब प्रिंस चार्ल्स साहब को पता चला कि अरे ऐसा हुआ है तो ही वॉज पैशनेट टू मीट, अरे मैं तो आना ही हूँ। और ज़्यादा लोकल ट्रेन की बात है, लोकल ट्रेन में रिचर्ड ब्रैंसन आए थे डब्बेवाला के साथ। ही ट्रैवल 10 मिनट्स इन लगेज कंपार्टमेंट विद डब्बावाला। इतनी यादें हैं, बहुत यादें हैं। और बोलते हैं ना छोटी छोटी बातों की यादें बड़ी होती है, और उन यादों के सहारे, उन एक्सपीरियंस के सहारे हम भारतवासी बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। That's what I feel.
So, one mistake in 6 million deliveries. Like, how do you achieve this sort of perfection? It's called perfection, perfect. Like, one mistake in 6 million.
It is 1 in 16 million.
16 million?
Yes. Better than, ahead than 6 sigma. इसका कारण क्या है? एक तो हम डायलॉग यूज करते हैं, एरर इज हॉरर, डोंट गिव टू मिरर, इट इज डेंजर, ऐसा हम लोग बोलते हैं। हम क्या बोलते हैं आसानी से, इंसान है, एक गलती ठीक है यार, लेकिन कभी सोचा हमने हमारी एक गलती है शायद 100 में, हजारों में, लाखों में, लेकिन जिस बंदे के लिए गलती है वो जो हमारा कस्टमर है उसका कितना नुकसान हो सकता है। तो हमने इसके भी सोचना ही नहीं। 99% और 99.99, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई फील यू शुड थिंक 100%। और ये बहुत आसानी से संभव है, जैसे डब्बावालों को संभव है। तो 1 एरर तो मानते ही नहीं, वो बोलते हैं 100%। वो 1 एरर कैसे है? जैसे उन्होंने पूछा 6/11 या कुछ 26 जुलाई, ऐसा कुछ तो 1 एरर है। अदरवाइज डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दिस सर्विस बीइंग बाय 100% ह्यूमन बीइंग, they don't do error.
So the last question we'll have for today is, so what is the one piece of advice you like to give to the rising entrepreneurs so they can also reach to the success that you are at?
Excellent. Very good question. As far as entrepreneur is concerned, I want that you guys, those who are youngsters, all cannot entrepreneur, I know that, but those who are deserving to become entrepreneur, they want to do some big enterprise. Couple of things they should understand. Number 1, they should work very honestly. Their motto should not be earn money. The first motto should be, I want to give a very good product to my customer, maybe very good service to customers. Number 2, when you are entrepreneur, you should think what initially she asked about sharing. How your entrepreneur will helpful at least to those who could not able to take your product, who could not able to take your services. You should think of it how much proportionate that you have to decide. Number 3, you must work consistently for the best quality, for the best services. Number 4, you must work passionately. Number 5, you must have patience. Because if you work consistently, when you think of it, what you think, we have 2 entrepreneurial qualities in Dabbawalas. Number 1, work is worship and customer is God. बोलते हैं ना, नस नस में, रग रग में, कणों कणों में भरा हुआ है। जब आप सुनोगे मुझे आज शाम को, और तो देखेंगे रोंगटे खड़े होते हैं कि यार क्या इंसान ऐसा काम कर सकता है। मैं कहता हूँ इंसान ही ऐसा काम कर सकता है, भगवान थोड़ी ना कर सकता है। उसमें भी भारतीय इंसान तो ऐसे ही कर सकता है, बशर्ते उसके अंदर वो जुनून हो। तो मैं समझता हूँ यू कैन बिकम, और यू विल बिकम द बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर if you have that passion to become entrepreneur. Believe these things are there, I think you will change a lot of scenarios to become entrepreneur. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much you all guys for taking pain and time to give my messages to all over.
So it was indeed a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
We are privileged, sir.
It's my honor.